for this next lesson, we are going to go order, we're going to go over ordered list, unordered list, as well as accessing the items within the list to order them. So let's go ahead and start right here within our nav elements. So let's go ahead and copy, paste. Let's go ahead and change this to Yahoo. And we're going to name it Yahoo because that's where our URL is going. Now, let's say I wanted to put these in some kind of order. To put them in number order, we're going to type OL, close it, and we're going to copy and paste within these elements. And now that we've ordered it, I want to select the items that I want to order. So I'm going to put LI for list item. We're going to copy this item and paste it in here. And we're going to do the exact same right here. List item, copy your item, paste it inside the element. Now let's go ahead and see what happened. Control S, Control R, and looky there, we have 1, 2. Our list is ordered, and it is numeral order, and our 2 items are ordered within our list. And let's say I didn't want the 1, 2. Let's say I wanted, like, think about being in Word doc. So you know how you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know how you can do those solid black dots? Let's go ahead and do that. And all that is an unordered list, and it's this simple. All you have to do is replace the O with a U to make it an ordered list. Control S, Control R, and look. In our HTML, we have the dots to show our list items. And that concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching.